Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. We from group 5 will present the material and result of your discussion. I am as the moderator who will lead the discussion and presentation this time. In this selection, you are expected to comprehend the spoke text about press be answering several questions related to the topic quality as well as to use the collaboration to the spoken activity about the subject matter the topic currently as well as to use the collaboration to have spoken activity about the subject matter.
Okay, my name is Nahifa Farah Kamila. Now, open to page 225 at the top. Let's listen 1, exercise 1. Please listen to the audio. After that, let's answer together. Okay, listen and write the price of each item. Number 1, or A, shoes. The price of the shoes is $45. B, computer. The price of the computer is $4,099. C, tea. The price of the tea is $36.95. E, earring. The price of the earring is $12.25. F, camera. The price of the camera, which was originally $145, can be reduced to $125. Okay, now exercise 2. Please listen to the audio. And after that, let's answer together. Did the person buy the item? Check the correct answer. Number 1, no. Number 2, no, because just looking. Number 3, no, because you don't really need it. Number 4, yes, buy. Number 3, yes. Number 6, no, because he still want to think about it.
Hello, my name is Arizka. Okay, now let's open page 225. So in part, let's listen to exercise 1. Listen to cashiers in a store and write the total amount each person needs to pay and the amount of change each person receives. So please listen to the audio first. Okay, next let's we answer together. The answer number 1 is total $750 and change is $12.50 because in audio cashier say soap that 2 for $1 and a bottle of shampoo $6.50, so that comes to $7.50 and your change is $12.50. Number 2, total is $19.90 and the change is 10 cents because in audio cashier say The CD is $14.95 and the cassette is on sale for $4.95. That comes $19.90. So here your change is 10 cents. Next, number 3, the answer total is 965 and the change 1035. Because in audio cashier say the newspaper are 150 and the magazines will choose another 815. So that's 965, right? Here's your change 1035. Next, number 4, total is 815 and change is 1185. Because in audio cashier say the shirt is $4.95 and the sock is $3.20. So that 815 and your change is 1185. So number 5, total is 1249 and change is 751. Because in audio cashier says that 950 for the chocolates and the cookies are $2.99. So that's 1249 and your change is 751. And the last number 6, total is 1825 and change is 175. Because in audio cashier say now the magazines are $6.25 and you are taking the book, that's $12. So that comes to 1825 and your change that 175. Okay, next, exercise 2. Listen again and check 2 things each person book. Okay, let's we answer together. Okay, number 1, in the audio, let's see, soap that's 2 for $1 and a bottle of shampoo $6.50. So the correct answer number 1 is soap and shampoo. Next, number 2, in the audio. Okay, now let me see what you got. The CD is $14.95 and the cassette, oh, a good one, my favorite group. So, the correct answer from number 2 is CD and cassette. Next, number 3, in the audio, let's see, the newspaper are $150 and the magazines will choose another $8.15. So, the correct answer number 3 is newspapers and magazines. Next, number 4, in the audio, so you are taking the shirt, nice choice, the color suits you, okay, that's $4.95. Then the sock, $3.20. So the correct answer from number 4 is the shirt and sock. Next, number 5, in the audio, okay, that's $9.50 for the chocolate and chocolate chip cookies too. You are really You are really do like chocolate. The cookies are $2.99. So the correct answer from number 5 is chocolate and cookies. The last number is number 6. In the audio, now the magazines are $6.25 and you are taking the book, that's $12. So the correct answer from number 6 is magazines and book. Thank you.
Okay, hi. My name is Divanda Azrul Maulana Maki. Now open page 226 in the Let's Listen 3 section. Before doing this, first listen to the audio that has been sent. If you have listened, please do exercise 1. Okay, here you are instructed to check the correct answer about price in the US and price in their own country. Okay, number 1. Is a cars cheaper in their country or cheaper in the US? The answer, cheaper in the US. Because in the audio, at home the car's tax is too high and only rich people can afford to buy a car at home. Number 2, rents. It is rents cheaper in their country or cheaper in the US? The answer, cheaper in their country. Because in the audio, the cost of renting a good apartment is only around $200 per month. Number 3, clothes cheaper in their country or cheaper in the US? The answer, cheaper in the US. Because in the audio, good clothes in America have very reasonable price, and in fact the cost of clothes in America is cheaper than the cost of clothes at home. Number 4, air travel cheaper in their country or cheaper in the US? The answer, cheaper in the US. Because America is very large country and has a large population, so many people travel by plane and that keep price down. Number 5, tuition cheaper in their country or cheaper in the US? The answer, cheaper in the US. Because people don't need to spend a lot of money on school fees. Most people send their children to state school. Number 6, hospital cheaper in the country or cheaper in the US? The answer is cheaper in the country, because at home you don't need to spend a lot of money to go to the doctor or hospital because most clinic and hospital are managed by the government. Okay, please do exercise 2 with the same audio. Okay, let's discuss it. Uh, are these statements true or false? Check, centang the correct answer. Number 1. She does own a car in the US. True or false? The answer false. False. Because in America it can be bought easily and you don't have to be rich to own a car. Number 2, he lives in a nice neighborhood at home than the one he lives in now. True or false? The answer true. Because renting a nice apartment is only about $200 America a month, and that's the amount he usually pay for a four bedroom apartment in a nice neighborhood. Number 3, she bought a lot of clothes before she moved to the US. True or false? The answer is true. Because everyone told him how expensive American clothes were. Number 4, she traveled by plane a lot in the US. True or false? The answer is true. Because he was able to fly to America and he did it all the time. Number 5, public school in his country are better than those in the US. True or false? False. The answer is true. False. Sorry. Because most people send their children to private school at home because that school are not that good. Number 6, hospital and clinic are expensive in his country. True or false? The answer is false. Because at home you don't need to spend a lot of money to go to the doctor or hospital, because most clinic and hospital are managed by the government.
Okay, here I will continue the material. The title Speaking. Speaking is the ability to convey ideas and information orally in English. And here there are also elements of effective speaking, is including pronunciation, intonation, grammar, vocabulary, confidence, and body language. And if you want your speaking to be good, you have these elements. So, open the book, page 227. For example, Putra, how much time do you usually spend a day on food and transportation? Okay, for this afternoon question, I will divide into group, and each group consists of 3 or 4 people. Once you have found a group, then ask your group member to take turns spending their money on a daily basis. Then write their answer in the table. So compare your answer with the answer of your group friends, and make the comparison simple and interesting. Then, after you have finished make the comparison, practice in the front of the class. Thank you. So the moderator will continue.
That all our presentation. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.